So I know somebody was like, "What was he?" Yeah, so Smartsheet. So I went to a company where they use Microsoft Project, the actual. It's almost like, and it was the enterprise version. So really love that. Then I went to an organization that they use Smartsheets, another great tool. I mean, because what I loved about Smartsheets as well, it was easier to navigate, meaning that it was like almost an Excel. It was like almost like built like an Excel, but Microsoft Project is normally the standard tool for project managers, which is another. I still love that tool as well. But the whole point I'm trying to make, we can't get caught up into the tools because you still have to understand project management is human led, it's not tool led. Okay, you didn't get that. What I mean is, let me unpack that, family, is that you need to get better at the human interactions and focus here and there on the tools. You're